Welcome to the very first week of Word of the Week. This is a worksheet series that I have created for you so that you can learn to write one word in a slightly quirky, playful sort of way. There are the basic strokes, and we are moving past that with the Word of the Week. These sheets are all designed to be used with a small size of brush pen or with the iPad brush linked down below. Let's work through this first worksheet together. In the top here, you will see the word that we're working on, as well as a few little reminders or hints to help make you more successful as you're writing this word. Now pick up your small size brush pen and let's get started. First of all, after looking at and reading all of these boxes up in the top, you want to trace the gray words. Here you are going to be adding your upstrokes and downstrokes, tracing along with the letters written underneath. If you go a little bit off, that's absolutely okay. It's better for you to do natural strokes rather than go slowly and maybe have a little bit of an extra anxiety wiggle in your hand. After you've traced the gray lines, you want to follow and trace onto the dotted line. Now this one doesn't have the thicks and thins for you, so the muscle memory that you developed working on this first line, you're going to want to put into practice on this lower line. And now it's time to celebrate what you have worked on. Write that word freehand down below in your empty Time to Celebrate space. After you've completed that side, flip over to the back where we will take it a step further. Here you'll see that the added or new stroke is in black, combined with the strokes that you have already practiced on the first side of the page. Trace over all of it, first with your brush pen so that you are tracing the gray strokes, and then adding in your extra line. Then go on and trace it on your dotted outline. Here you'll be adding your upstroke and downstroke pressure and making sure that you get that add-on flourish or stroke in there. For the other ideas on the bottom, you can use your favorite tracing paper to trace over these to build your muscle memory and also be able to master these alternative ways of writing the word hello. In order to get your Word of the Week worksheet, you need to sign up down below. Everyone on that list will be getting this worksheet and another worksheet every single week to be able to practice one word a few different ways. See you next week.